What's up, folks? Nice morning update. Early today, about 6:40 a.m. 75 was my number yesterday for a low. Tested the low. We found that it held, and then it dipped down to 72. So we'll see if that low holds and we come back. So it's pretty good consolidation down here. So I don't know. Again, but yesterday I thought we'd probably consolidate and then have a move on Friday, which was the opposite. So maybe we moved today, we consolidate and have no move today. Or we rip and go. I don't know. This market's been real weird. The downturn, the price action on the way down has been interesting. It's been a grind. It hasn't been, there's order flow issues, especially watching the futures ladders, where when you get a liquidation down, it's a push, a pop, and then a push and a push. This was just kind of a grind, and it was an interesting trade. It was kind of hard to trade on that way down and stay short, just because it kept looking like it was going to base and pop. It was a dip buyer's nightmare, and they're probably all on margin call this morning. So downside, 43.50 is really that level I'd watch, and then 43.19, 20 would be your 100-day. But the 50 would be my next major target. So we'll see if that holds. You also have this roll gap down at 43.07.04. So if we fell 75 points or whatever it is, we could see that. Here's your weekly, 43.07. So, I would say, honestly, if they're going to come down and park it and reverse it, that would be the target, or they would front run that. I don't know. We'll see if it gets past. I'll be surprised if it gets past lower than 50 today. But again, I'm not betting the farm on that. And, your 43 or 41, 35, 55, I'm still watching that. That's the 200-day. So we'll keep an eye on that. Here's your hourly. Pivots 43.97, 44.17 is your R1, which is basically that 20. That's really the key level. Again, as we're below it, we're bearish. We get it back above it, then we need to get back above 44.50, and then we can, have ourselves a rally. Here's 447 is my line. So we'll see. That would be honestly, in this environment, if we were up here, I'd be selling. That's just me. I trust that line, especially lately. So that would be a sell for me. So we'll see. We've been through that, the weekly. Here's your daily. So here's last month. We're below that. And if you look, our low of that, the prior month, that's actually 178. That's that gap, that roll gap that we had. Anyway, 43.38 is the mid for that month. So that was June. So that could be a number as well. Again, I really think that they're going to hold the 50 and bounce it, but that's just me. We'll check out SPX. You have a 36 or 35.28 cash gap down here. I honestly thought they were going to gun for that yesterday, but they cut way short. 44.50 is your 50-day. So that's going to be something important. I know that some of the people have been talking about that number in the room. So I would watch that. We could rally back up into that. I don't know about today. We'll see. 89.78. Anything's possible today. Euro's having a nice trip down. Again, we'll see if there's any rebound to that. Tilt is up, or Ultra is this morning. So that bond relief could spark a rally. I don't know what to expect today. I'll probably keep my hands I'll trade very tight, just because OPEX and the last few have just done nothing. There hasn't been a move, and everyone's expecting this move, but there wasn't any. And there's like 2.2 trillion, options expiration, whatever. But again, the last 3 or 4 have been duds. It's been a sleepy day, so maybe an iron condor or something like that. Anyway, I will be in the room all day. Stay safe.